If you want to run Android apps or games on your Windows PC, you probably already know that you can't do it directly. Windows does not support Android applications natively, which means you need the help of an Android emulator. And when it comes to Android emulators, one name that almost everyone knows is Bluestacks. Bluestacks is one of the most popular and powerful Android emulators available for PC. It allows you to install and run thousands of Android apps and games on your Windows computer smoothly, just like you would on a smartphone. One of the best things about Bluestacks is its built-in key mapping feature. This allows you to control mobile games using your keyboard and mouse, giving you a much better and more precise gaming experience compared to touchscreen controls. Another great feature is the built-in screen recording option. With this, you can easily record your gameplay or app usage directly from the emulator without needing any extra software, which is perfect for creating content or sharing gameplay with others. Bluestacks also offers excellent graphics performance. It is optimized to deliver smooth gameplay with high-quality visuals, making your favorite Android games look even better on a larger PC screen. On top of that, it supports multi-instance functionality, allowing you to run multiple apps or games at the same time. This makes it extremely useful for gamers and productivity users alike. So if you're looking for an easy and powerful way to run Android apps and games on your Windows PC, Bluestacks is definitely one of the best options available. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Bluestacks on your PC, step by step. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If this video helps you, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started. First of all, open any web browser. Go to the search bar and search for Bluestacks. Open the official Bluestacks website from search results. Once you're on the website, you will see a download button. Click on it and Setup File will start downloading. You can see all versions of Bluestacks listed for Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, for Android and other operating systems. After the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Now right-click on the setup file and open it. You'll see a setup window. You can click on Customize Installation if you want to change the installation folder. Then click Install. Now the installer will now begin downloading the necessary files. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so wait until it finishes. After that, it will check for hardware requirements and then starts installation. Once installation is complete, Bluestacks will automatically launch. When it opens, it will send you to its apps store. Simply click on Home button to go back. On homepage, you'll see some apps along with the Play Store. When you open Play Store for the first time, you may be asked to sign in with your Google account. So just sign in with that. This is required to access the Play Store and download apps and games. Try searching for games like Free Fire, Clash of Clans, or apps like TikTok, WhatsApp, or Instagram. All work great on Bluestacks. If your PC is a bit slow, close other heavy apps before launching Bluestacks. And that's it. You've successfully installed Bluestacks on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to share your feedback in comments sections. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.